Event ID 56, what is and how to fix it? Updating your BIOS could resolve this event ID. If you do not update your BIOS for a long time, you may have errors such as the event ID 56, which causes frequent BSOD errors. To quickly resolve this error, check for any updates, but if it bears no fruit, consider upgrading your motherboard as it may no longer be compatible. Some event IDs in Windows can often be ignored as they do not interfere with the system's functioning. However, with Event ID 56, the pop-up seems to interrupt normal operations, as you can either end up with a BSOD error or unexpected shutdowns. What is Event ID 56? Event ID 56 is a generic Windows error that appears when certain events occur. Multiple factors, such as a hardware problem with the computer or a problem with the operating system, can cause this error. One thing that stood out from most reports was that Asus users were the most affected by the Event ID 56 error. Although the Event ID 56 error can be from a source application pop-up, some of the general causes include unused audio drivers. According to some users, some audio drivers that have not been in use for a while were the cause of this issue. Incompatible hardware. This could be the issue if your PC has been in use for a while and you're yet to update your BIOS, especially after updating to a newer version of Windows. Defective CPU. Although it can be hard to detect a faulty CPU, there are some telltale symptoms that can help you detect when it is failing. Outdated drivers. It's always good practice to keep your drivers up to date as they keep things running smoothly on your PC. How do I fix Event ID 56? 1. Restart the Windows Update service. 2. Update BIOS. The process of updating BIOS will differ depending on your motherboard. 3. Disable C states. Some PC issues are hard to tackle, especially when it comes to missing or corrupted system files and repositories of your Windows. Be sure to use a dedicated tool, such as Fortect, which will scan and replace your broken files with their fresh versions from its repository. Disabling C states is a way to reduce power consumption by turning off parts of the CPU that aren't being used. For those who are unfortunate, perhaps performing a system restore or upgrading your motherboard might help in this situation. If you have experienced this error and have any other solution not mentioned here, please comment below.